Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I went from this 613 blonde to this beautiful nice beige blonde look. So if you're interested, keep on watching. To get started, I like to use Vaseline to help to protect the lace from getting colored. So I put a very thick layer of Vaseline on the lace, and then to protect the hair from coloring, I like to spray this Joico spray just to help protect the hair. And this wig, I started off with this color in 7, 8, and 9G. It's by the Argan Oil brand, one and only. So what I did was I initially put each color into different bowls. So the 7G, put it in the black bowl. Then I proceeded with the 8G into this purple bowl. And then the 9G I put in the transparent white bowl. And then I used the 30 volume developer to mix the mixture together. And so I did this process initially and I thought to show this, but I ended up like coloring the hair again because I didn't like how the color came out. So I decided to still show this process so you guys can see that I didn't start with 613 blonde, because I went from 613 blonde with this color to the next step, and then I did something else. So keep on watching, watch the entire video to see what I did. But in order to apply the hair is I started off with the darkest color and I put that onto the roots, and then I proceeded with making a weave. So I would weave the hair out and then I would alternate between the colors. I would randomly pick 2 of the colors for one section and then do another 2 colors for the other section. So that's what I did for this part of the hair. So this was what it was looking like. I also ran out of color, which is why the front section was really light. And I left this to process for 1 hour, and then I went to wash it off. And like I said, I did not like the way it was looking just because it was a lot lighter than I wanted it to be. So I still wanted it to be just a little bit more golden brown still. So this is what it was looking like. So this is wet, of course, but if it's a color that you like, you can definitely stop. This is what it looks like dried, but I was not 100% happy with it. So I proceeded to purchasing more hair colors to recolor the hair. And to get started with the second step, I did use a 30 volume developer as well. And for the color, I used a 5G. The 5G is the darkest one, and this is by Wella. So I used the 5G. I would mix that in a separate bowl. And then I also got a 6G. They didn't have like 2 6Gs in the store, so I got a 6G and a 6GN. So I mixed both of those 2 colors together. So this will be the second darkest color. And then this one is the 7G. So I got 2 7Gs, but I used just one. And the last color was the 10G. So I'm going to be putting all 4 colors into different bowls. And this is because I would be applying them in different sections of the hair, because I wanted the hair to have an ombre look. So I would randomly go in with either the 6G or the 10G, or I would go in with the 5 and the 7. But the 5G is always the roots color, and the 5G is also the darkest color. So here I'm just showing you guys how I mixed it together, and I followed the instructions on the pack for the Clairol color. So it's 1-to-1 parts, for example. So here I'm putting in the 6G and 6GN And since I used 2 bottles of that, I'm going to put 2 parts developer. So I use the developer, the bottle of the dye to measure the developer, and I mix that in together. So that's exactly what I did, and I will show you guys soon how I applied them on the hair. Like I said, I only ended up using 1 bottle of the 7G because I felt like it was a lot of hair color that I had already mixed, and I didn't even use all of the 5G and the 6G because it was too much. So tip FYI, maybe start off with just 1 bottle of each of the colors. Don't use 2 like I did, and that way you'll be able to save your hair color and not waste it like I ended up wasting some of it. I sectioned the hair into 4 parts, and like I said, the 5G is the root color. So I went in first of all with the 5G color just to help get the roots to be starting to process and get the roots to be dark. So I put the 5G all over the perimeter of the section that I had made, and I was still going later on. After each section I make, I would put the 5G as well to help darken the roots of that section. But I did proceed with the 5G first of all on the perimeter of the 4 sections that I parted, like I'm showing you guys right here. Starting off with the back, I like to take like 2 wefts at a time. So I section out 2 to 3 wefts. Just take out that first section, and then I'll go in to make a slice or a weave, I would say. So just weave it like up, down, up, down. That will just help section that part into 2. And then you're going to randomly select the colors. So like I showed you guys in the beginning, I have 4 different colors in 4 different bowls. So I have the 5G, which is the darkest, the 6, 7, and 10. So I would randomly, if I start off here, for example, I don't remember, this is probably the 6G. So I would put the 6G in this section, and then the top part of the weave that I had made, I will go in with either the 7G or the 10G. So you don't want to put 2 of the same colors on the same slice that you had sectioned. You want to alternate it. So you have to also remember what color you put, so that the next section you put like 2 different colors. So you randomly select it. And then I also use this cotton wool to help section the hair, just so they don't transfer from one section to another, because this is all like different colors, right? And after each time I apply hair on it, I would use a wet towel to wipe my hands, just so my hand is not transferring color from one hair to another. So I would randomly select this for all, and I will keep repeating this exact process throughout the hair. Also, there were some sections of the hair that I did not put color on, so I would section it out and leave it as it is, and that just helps to create more of a depth and ombre effect. And I would use a cotton wool to section that part as well, just so it's not contaminated with the other color. And then for the front piece, you want to take out the closure section and leave that aside. And then starting off with the sides, I would go in a slanted motion, and then I'll start off with the root color, which is the 5G, and just go in onto the roots of the hair, and then make another weave, and then randomly select two of the colors and color one color at the top, one color at the bottom, and keep repeating the process until you run out of hair.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you.
Then when you're all done with the sides, you're going to go in with the closure section now, the closure part of the hair. And then you want to make a horizontal slice like this. And you want to simultaneously do both parts of the closure, because this was already parted into a center. But you want to go in and take both at the same time, just so it's more even and the color, it's like more symmetrical. And then when you make a slice, you want to go in with the root color, the 5G, and color the roots, and then make a weave, and then take two colors again. It's the same process throughout the hair, and then randomly select two colors and apply that onto the hair.
It's you, What did you think? You could say whatever and I would never. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. If I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. What do I have to do to make you go?
And this is the final result. This is how the hair turned out. It turned out so beautiful. This is a beige blonde, a color that could be rocked by anybody. It was really nice, and I loved how it turned out. You'd also get to see it on a person very soon. Here you go. It was so cute, and I love the dark roots as well, which is the dark color I used. The hair color was so beautiful. Honestly, I'm still so obsessed with it. And yeah, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.
Baby, it's you.